Hey friends, Gator Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Today we're talking all about this Stevie backpack from MINA BAIE. Alright, so this is the first time that I have had the full-size Stevie before. I've owned the mini Stevie as well as the midi-size Stevie, and I have a review and packing video on both of those, I believe, on my channel. I will make sure to link them down below or up here in the cards should you want to see either of those. The mini Stevie that I had, if I can remember, was actually this nylon material, and the midi Stevie that I had, which I loved that bag, was in the full grain leather, and it was gorgeous. That's one that I wish I would have held on to. I wasn't getting a lot of love, and I was like, you know what, let's go ahead and pass that one on. And man, I missed that one. It was a good one. So I have a review on the midi size, but today we're gonna actually talk about the full size, and I'm really happy that I actually have it in the nylon material because MINA BAIE's nylon is so good. It is thick, it's sturdy, but yet it's lightweight. You can clean it easily by wiping it down. It's the absolute perfect backpack to wear outside. I'm actually gonna be using mine this weekend for soccer. So I'll have this outside in the soccer field, and it's gonna be fantastic. Hold all the things that I'll need for long days out for sure. So let's go ahead and kind of talk about some of the features, why I love this backpack, and then of course we're gonna pack it up. All right, so as you can see here, by the way that I'm holding it, you have an awesome grab handle at the top of this backpack, and then you have the backpack straps on the back of the bag. They are easily adjustable. They're really long. I don't think anybody would have any trouble wearing this backpack. You can definitely adjust them pretty easily. And you have a luggage sleeve back here. It does have a zipper at the very bottom, so if you wanna just use that back sleeve as a pocket, you can do so, but if you're traveling, you have the option to slip this over luggage. The other strap that comes with this bag is this short strap here that you can attach on the side of the bag. Should you wanna throw this over your shoulder and kind of wear it this way, you have the option to do so. I carry it like this a lot. If I'm going in and out of like backpack mode, or if I'm just getting out of my car or something like that, I can very easily just grab it by this strap and carry it this way. It's really comfortable. On the back here of the bag, besides the luggage sleeve, you do have one zipper pocket, and it is lined with, I believe this is a neoprene lining, if I'm not mistaken. So you can easily put bottles in here, or like water bottles. I like to slide my cell phone in here. You can use it as like a tech pocket. It's just a little bit more of a protected pocket should you want to put anything like that inside. You do have two really large side pockets here that do have a magnetic closure. So when you're not using the side pockets, they're not going to stick out all funky. They're going to go ahead and be flush to the side of the bag. I will sometimes slip my cell phone or tissues or something like that on the side pockets. They can very easily hold pretty much any size water bottle. I'll try to actually show you that in the packing portion if I can remember to put a couple of different size water bottles. When I've been carrying this, like before the past couple weeks when I got it, I was actually putting my water bottle inside the bag just because it's personal preference. I don't know why, I just don't really love them on the outside of backpacks. I tend to kind of put them inside. So, but I will show you, or hopefully remember to show you, how the water bottles fit on the outside. Lastly, this bag does have one zipper pocket here on the front of it. It kind of has a little bit hidden of a zipper, but it's a really big pocket. I love it. You actually have two little slip pockets down inside there for you to organize, and then you also have a leather key leash. So you can use this for like your wallet and keys and things that you need to grab for quickly. All right, as far as the inside of the bag, you do have double zipper pulls, and the bag opens up nice and wide, really wide. And I believe this particular bag is a newer version of the Stevie, so the opening is extra wide, like wider than the older versions of this bag, if I'm not mistaken. So those of you that may have had this bag in the past, just note that this one opens up even larger. I think the material is just a little bit longer here on the sides so that it was a little bit easier and more convenient to kind of get in and out of this backpack. One of my favorite things about MINA BAIE bags are the internal organization setup. I love it. It's pretty much the same in all their backpacks. I have the Kenny bag, which I cannot believe I have not shared that backpack yet. For the amount of times that I have used that, I definitely need to do a review on that one ASAP. But the inside of that one is the same as this one. It's pretty much set up the same, and they're similar in structure to their other bags as well. Even the Emmy, like the pockets are kind of similar. So it's one of my absolute favorite thing about MINA BAIE bags. Back here in the back, you actually have a laptop or like an iPad sleeve that has a little clasp. You have a zipper pocket, 2 more pockets on the front here, and I'll show you this up close. Don't worry, when I pack it up, I know you can't really see it right here, but on the front here, you actually have a ton more pockets on the inside there, a zipper pocket, and then on the sides, you have 2 more pockets. So, I mean, you really don't even need pouches to pack this bag up if you didn't want to use them. You have lots and lots of ways to organize it. All right, so I'm gonna stop chatting, put the camera down, pack this up so that you can see what fits inside. All right, so here attached to the bag, I'm actually going to take it off just so it's not flopping around as I unpack the bag, but I do have the sold separate MINA BAIE strap that I think looks really good with this bag. This is obviously the black one. It has black leather, it's canvas, the hardware is super nice, and I just think it adds kind of a little spunkiness to the bag, if you will. On the back of the bag here, you do have the optional luggage sleeve, or if you're not using it, it does zip closed at the bottom, so you can use this as a pocket. I don't have anything in there at the moment, and I actually don't have anything inside these side pockets either. I have a lot packed inside the bag, so I could put like small little things back there, but I don't have anything at the moment. Back here in this kind of hidden zipper pocket, it is lined with neoprene, and I have my phone just tucked down in there. You guys probably already know, but I usually don't even pack my phone in my bags anymore because I usually have it on my body, but this pocket goes all the way, the entire width of the bag here. So there's a lot of room there. On the front pocket down here, I just have my wallet. I'll show you kind of, if I can fold it down here and zoom in a little bit so that you can see the different pockets that are on the inside here. I have inside this one my Touchland hand sanitizer, fits perfectly in there. And then in this one over here, I actually have my Ondar Denner wallet. Small little compact wallet, fits really well in that pocket. And then right here in the front, attached to the key leash, I have my O Venture key ring with some hair ties and my car keys. That is everything I have inside this front pocket. I could have probably put more, but I didn't need to. Moving on into the big bulk of the bag, you have double zipper pulls, which is awesome. And you have a little extra kind of fabric over here. There is a strong magnetic closure, so when you kind of release the bag, it attaches here on the side, so it keeps its nice like compact shape. But when you open it, it opens up nice and wide. You can really pack a lot inside this backpack and easily find whatever it is that you're looking for. I'm gonna go ahead and unpack the middle so that you can really see the pockets that are in here as well. Sitting right here kind of on top, just because I grabbed for it a lot, is the medium pouch in the MINA BAIE pouch trio. And inside here is just small cosmetic type things. I have my lip products. I also have cuticle cream. I have, you name it, it's in here. Eyeglass wipes, hair ties, eye drops, like all that kind of stuff that I would need to just kind of grab quickly. I have inside this little pouch just sitting right here on top. Then I also have the book that I'm reading, and that's a pretty big book. And I have my Erin Condren notebook in there as well. Those 2 items, and that's everything like in the main bulk of the bag there. You can see back here in the laptop sleeve, I do have, which fits perfectly, my iPad Pro. This is the larger one, and it has the Magic Air keyboard attached to it. So it's a little bit oversized, if you will, and I have no problem with it fitting back here in this padded like laptop pocket. There is this little leather loop that you can secure whatever electronics that you have back there. Then I have in these 2 side pockets in the middle of the bag, This one here, I have my Hydro Flask water bottle. This one is a super tall one. It is 24 ounces and it has this little handle at the top. You guys have probably seen that before. It fits in that side pocket, no problem. I could have easily put it in this outside pocket, but I don't know, I don't like water bottles too much on the outsides. I tend to put them on the inside of my bags anyways. And then all the way down there in this other side pocket, I just have my eyeglasses kind of tucked down in there. Looking down in the back of the bag here, you do have 2 elastic pockets and then you have a zip pocket. In this elastic pocket here, I just have a bunch of snacks, a couple of granola bars, a chicken stick, and I think that was it. Yeah, that's it down in there. Could have easily put more. And then over here in this pocket, I actually don't have anything at the moment. In the zipper pocket, I find that it is a perfect pocket for all of my tech like gear. All of my chargers and everything fit in there really well. I don't have to worry about like them getting tangled because they're just in that one kind of spot. And then I also have down in there my Apple Pencil. I like to have it kind of next to a little bit of padding, like protect it a little bit. So I think that zipper pocket works really, really good for those kind of things. Last but not least, one of my favorite parts about this bag is the pockets on the front of it. I love all the pockets. It just makes it easy to see everything that you need. You have 2 elastic pockets down there at the bottom. This one's just open, kind of trimmed in leather. And then this one here is a zipper pocket. So you can really kind of secure whatever it is that you need and see everything well. I have my hand cream in this one. I also have a bunch of stuff actually. I have my lip gloss there and my pens. And then I also have a couple of Post-its that I've been using to kind of help organize my notebook a little bit. Down here at the very bottom, it holds perfectly the mini Keep Going first aid kit. I love this little thing. It has a bunch of just miscellaneous first aid items. It has wipes, it has Band-Aids, it has itch cream, just a bunch of things that you would need. And that little tiny mini one fits well down in that little pocket. In the pocket right next to it, I just have a pack of gum. Obviously I can put more in there if I need to. And then in the zipper pocket up here, I find that it is a great pocket to hold my earbuds. That's the only thing in there. Makes it really easy to grab. These pockets are deep, so you can put a lot down in there for sure. Like I had to really kind of put my hand all the way down there to get my earbuds out of it. So you can hold a lot inside these pockets. I want to go ahead and give you one last look of the inside of this because I really think it's what makes this Stevie backpack and other MINA BAIE backpacks. I think it's fantastic. Loving it. Alright, I think that does it for today's video. I sure hope it was helpful for those of you that are considering this Stevie bag from MINA BAIE. I highly, highly recommend it. It is a fantastic backpack for sure. I will have my affiliate link with MINA BAIE down below, and it's always open for you guys to shop it. I so appreciate it anytime you guys think of me and use my links when you're shopping. If you have any questions, comments, want to chat bags, feel free to reach out. I'm always happy to help. Until next time, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Bye.